Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a scratchbook paper effect and adding it onto your design. You make your design have the effect like that on your Canva mobile. I think it's too long to be as a title. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open your Canva, make a new project. Here, on the new project, you just need to click the element and add the paper texture to use it as a background. So for example, I think I'm just going to use this paper texture, this one. I will crop it like this and like this. After you adjust the size and positioning it, now the next steps is you need to add a design or an element onto this background. So for example, I'm just going to add a text like this, ungroup it and then delete it. Now I would like to decrease the size of the frame like this and increase the text size just like that. After finish, now open the apps button, this one, and type design to image, this one, and open the apps. This one is used for download the design and convert it onto an image without downloading it from Canva. So click convert to image and then increase the size of the pixel. And don't forget to check this transparent background. Click export. After finish, now you just need to add it onto the page by clicking this add to current page, this one, and you can delete the previous design. Delete it and delete it. Now increase the size of your image, this one, and try to positioning and crop the frame. Make sure it's not that big, like this and like this. And now the next step, you need to open this choppy crop, this one. This is the tools that we will use to make the design look like it's getting cut by a hand or maybe a scissor. And now the way to crop, you just need to tap the screen like this to adding the guideline, and here like this. After finish, you just need to waiting for a moment to see the preview, this one, and then add it to the design, and you can change the previous image. And as you can see, now it's already changing the shape from a square shape onto this random shape that you cut before. And after that, the next step, to make it a little bit more look like a torn paper, you just need to click element and type paper frame again. Now adding an effect. For example, I'm going to use this image of a paper and adding it here. Increase the size a little bit, put it here like this. I think I'm going to do this, and now send it to the back. Okay, and after that you can duplicate the element one more time, and then I will try to flip it to make it not look as same as the previous element like this, and I'm going to put it on this side. And now send it to the back, increase the size, just like this. And when you're done adding the element like this, you can just save it like the way it was, or maybe you can change the color of the background like this. For example, I'm changing it onto this, I think this yellow color. And now it's done. And that's the way how to make a scratchbook effect on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.